Explain confirmed dimension with an example is an important SSAS interview question. Let's see what is that and a couple of examples for the same. A confirmed dimension is a dimension in data warehousing concepts in which the dimension will have the same meaning when it is referred by the couple of fact tables. Or you can say a dimension which can be used or related to multiple fact tables. There are so many definitions. I'll try to explain what the confirmed dimension is, and you can have your own definition too. Let's say this is my fact table. Let me take a pen here. Okay. Let's say this is my fact table 1 and this is my fact table 2, and this fact table 1 will have relationship to dimensions. Let's say this is one dimension and this is one dimension and this is one dimension and this is one dimension. So obviously you'll create a one measure group using this fact table, and you'll create one measure group using this fact table, or you can create two different dimensions, cubes using these fact tables. Now, if you see the dimension here, we call this dimension as a confirmed dimension, a dimension which has the same meaning with the different fact tables to which it is related. Here, this particular dimension is related to fact 1 and fact 2, and this dimension is called as confirmed dimension. One of the major advantage of this confirmed dimension is it also brings the relationship between the fact tables. For example, let's say if you split here, this will be one star schema and this will be another star schema. So it can bring relationship. You can query the data. Let's say this is your sales and this is your inventory stuff. Okay, and you can get the sales and inventory stuff in one output, or you can create a calculated measures using this stuff using that confirmed dimension here. It provides the truth to query the data together. So these kind of dimensions are very useful while designing the data warehouse, and you have to be very careful while designing these kind of dimensions. Now let's see one example which I have come across in the internet, which is pretty interesting and pretty easy to understand. This is one I like to show you. Here, if you see in this confirmed dimension, in this particular picture, inventory is a fact table where you will be storing all the inventory records, inventory details of products. Okay, and sales is the sales of the goods that you have stored in your inventory, right? So this is the sales fact table and this is the inventory fact table, and this inventory fact table, when you add it to your cube, will give you this information like how many products are there in inventory, what when it was arrived, and blah 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 and so on. Whereas the sales will give you when a product was purchased by which customer. If you use this dimension customer and if you use this dimension salesperson, it will give you information like which salesperson has sold the product to the particular customer. But if you see, these two are related, or you can get the information from these two fact tables for your analysis purpose using the confirmed dimensions here. If you see the dimension date, dimension product, and dimension store, which are common across these two, these three will have the same definition with these fact tables here. So when you add this product to this inventory and product to the sales, it will have the same definition and the data across the fact tables. So these kind of tables or these kind of dimensions are called as confirmed dimensions. So you must be wondering, whether we have any confirmed dimension in our data warehouse, that is AdventureWorks, the sample data warehouse given by the Microsoft. Obviously it is there. And if you go here, let me erase the pen. Let me take out the pen. And if you go to the SSAS project here, and here if you see, this is my fact table, fact internet sales, which will have the internet sales information, and if you see here the fact reseller sales information, and these two fact tables can be joined, or these two fact tables are having confirmed dimensions, that is dim product and dim date. You can see the dim date is the one which is common, or which will have the same meaning with almost any fact table that you take in the world. Whatever the fact table you take, it needs a time dimension, and this dim dimension will act as confirmed dimension because it's the same definition and or meaning, or also the data when it is referred with from different fact tables. So these kind of dimension tables are called as confirmed dimension tables. So to conclude the video, when you get a question like what is confirmed dimension, you can go ahead with the definition. Like in data warehousing concepts, a table is called as confirmed dimension table when it has the same meaning with every fact with which it relates. That's the shortest answer you can give, and you can give example like dim date is one of the best examples for the confirmed dimension, and you can take the example that I have shown a couple of minutes back. Even that one sounds good. Hope you understood the concepts, and stay tuned for more videos on SSAS, SSAS, and SSRS interview questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.